Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our topic, that is internet services. These days we all are relying on internet services only, and everybody is having a query whether there is some issues regarding connecting the class or not. So we all are just having one thing, that is internet. So what is internet? Internet is actually when millions of computers are joined together and you can access the information which they are having and you can even share it, is known as internet. The full form of internet is international networks. What do you mean by international? I hope everybody would be knowing the meaning of international means worldwide, from everywhere. Okay, that is international. And networks, the network which is providing you the facility to access the information from internationally is known as internet. Okay, so let's come to our next topic. What is that? That is social networking sites. What do you mean by social? Social means when you are meeting somebody, when you are interacting in someone, not even physically, it is also when you are calling somebody and remembering somebody, that is known as social. So what are the social networking sites? The social networking sites includes our Facebook. For example, you can share your thoughts, your ideas, your interests, photos, messages, whatever you like. You have your own friends over there. You can get in touch with your friends. Not even Facebook, you are having many other sites also from where you can use it, like Linked, Hi. Even you can connect through WhatsApp also. These days you are using it. Okay, let's go for our next topic, that is Twitter and microblogging. Microblogging is a new form of communication in which user can describe their status in a short post distributed by a small messages. I would like to give you an example. When recently Sushant Singh Rajput had a suicide, then everybody was posting something or something not. So this was microblogging. They were writing the post on their blogs and we were able to read it. So this was microblogging. Even you have read that there is a site which is Twitter. It is also a social networking site. Here you can post whatever you want to, and your friends can give a like if they liked your tweet, and they can even comment on it. Okay, we are having one facility, that is internet forum. Some people who are having their common interest and would like to have some discussions on the topic which they are interested. So for that they are having a forum. You can connect. That forum is a kind of a room. For example, I am teaching you in a room. We all are having a discussion regarding the internet services. This is our discussion, and when you are doing this thing through internet, it is known as internet forum. Now let's come to our next topic, that is OneDrive. What is OneDrive? Yes, this is a very big point. These days we all are having too much things to store, and it requires lot of data, right? We are having so many photographs, we are having so much of data, like teachers are also sending the work in the form of PDF. So you need to store each and everything. So OneDrive is actually a facility provided by a Microsoft in which you can store the data from 25 GB free from Sky users and reduce the data amount to the 7 GB. Okay, you can store your photos, your videos, your documents, and you don't need to fill your phone's memory. You can use the memory which is provided by the OneDrive, and it is present there. If your data is gone, means for example you have formatted your phone, then also you can receive this data and you can get back your data from here if you are having your ID in Microsoft. Similarly, you are having a cloud computing. What is a cloud computing? Cloud is a defined set of hardwares, networks, storage interface and services which combine together to deliver the different aspects of computing as the service over a network or internet. What is it? It is also a storing hub, you can say. What is a hub? Where all the people can make their ID, and use it for storing the things. I am having my cloud ID. I can store all the data over there. Just I have to make a ID and I can store my data. They are having so many hubs, and your data is secured at 3 to 4 places, that if there is any failure, your data is always secured. Even if you are changing your mobile phone, your laptop, or it is getting formatted, then also your data is not lost in OneDrive and cloud computing. So these days these are playing the very important role in our life. Let's go to our next topic, that is e-greetings. These days, as corona is going on, earlier also it was there, but we are not able to even meet our relatives also or our friends in the school somewhere. So these days e-greetings are playing very important role. You can send everybody. What do you mean by e? E means electronic greetings, like you are sending somebody image on a WhatsApp wishing happy birthday, you are writing the names. This is called e-greetings. For that, there you are having a different sites like www.123greetings.com, www.hallmark.com, www.archiesonline.com, where you can get the cards, you can write the names, even you can send it the cards from the e-website and they'll be getting a card. Even you are having emojis also for sending it. Now what is email? Email is an electronic mail, is a process of sending and receiving text-based messages over the internet to access the email on the internet. The email address is similar to the postal address. For example, my teacher want to send me something and it is very difficult to inform me. So what she will do, she will take my email ID and she will just go on her Gmail account and will send me a email on my email address. It would be acting as if the letter is going at the house, and you can even send letter to as many persons as many you want. What the drawback was there, when you were sending a letters physically, you have to make a letter for everybody separately, but right now you need to write only one message and you can forward it to everyone whenever it is required. So what you need to do, you need to just have your username, your domain, and you have to just create your email ID. You can create your contacts in it. I can add, like you are doing it in it is similar kind, that you can add your contacts, like what you do in WhatsApp, you just select the contacts and send the things which you are sending. Similarly, in it you have to just place the email address and you can send it. You can edit your contact lists and you can even delete your contact list also. Thank you for being there and listening to me so patiently. Thank you.